Okay, so I've activated my Windows using my organization's activation service. And let's go back and let's start the customization of this client machine the way that I like to use it and customize it. Go to display. It's fine here, nothing to change here. Notifications. Get notifications from apps? Nope. Show me whether welcome to after occasionally? No. Get tips, tricks, and suggestions. This is basically advertising, so turn this off. Go to power and sleep. Uh, don't have the display go to sleep. Never. Storage. Storage is fine. Tablet mode. This is a machine. It won't never be used as a tablet mode, so these settings don't matter. These settings are fine. Let's rename our PC. Let's call this uh hmm, let's call this Win 10. Restart later. I shared experiences. Let apps on other devices open up message and apps on this device. No, switch this off. Remote desktop. We'll leave it off. Okay, and go back to the devices. Devices are fine. Return scanners. Okay, good. Mouse default is fine. Typing is default. Fine. There's no handwriting panel, so switch this off. App suggestions switches off. Devices autoplay. Sure. Okay, I'll leave it default. Okay, turn this off. Other phone. Nothing to do because this is not a phone and there's no phone connected to it. Go to networking. Uh, okay, status, Ethernet, connected. Good. There's no dial-up. There's no VPN. Data usage, proxies. Automatically detect settings. Yes. Okay. And personalization. Widen this window. Background picture is fine. Colors. Scroll down. Help bars. Choose your default app mode. I'm gonna choose dark because dark is easier on my eyes because light background just too much. Lock screen. Show lock screen picture in the background. Okay, no problem. Screen timeout settings. Lever. Back. Screen saver settings. None. That's good. That's how you want it. Now, click on desktop icons here. That will enable user files, network, and control panel. Click on apply. There you go. And the start menu bar. Show app list and start menu. No. Show recently added apps. No. Show most used apps. No. Occasionally show suggestions start. No. Use full screen? Yeah, sure. Right, a jump list? No. Taskbar? Lock the taskbar? Yes. I want this in one place, not to move around accidentally, even by accident. Automatically hide the taskbar desktop mode, off. Hide the taskbar tablet mode, there's no tablet mode, so it doesn't matter. Use small taskbar buttons? Yes, turn them on. Default fine. Taskbar location on screen bottom. Combined taskbar buttons? No, I prefer them never. I like to see all those windows and buttons separately, not combined. That's how I like it. Like which icons appear on the taskbar. Click on this. Network, okay. Windows Defender, yes. Microsoft OneDrive, no. VirtualBox Guest Editions Tray application, off. We don't need it. Oh, we could turn it on, but we don't have to. Go back. Turn system icons on and off. Network's fine. Power's off. Input indicator. Location should be off. We don't want to use location here. Action center should be on. Show contacts on the taskbar? No. You know what? Let's just turn on all the icons in the notification area so we know what's running on that. And we're done with the personalization. Default apps. Allow apps from anywhere? No. Allow apps from the store only. No, actually, we'll just keep it anywhere. This is for tablet, so don't need this. So I'm gonna install this. Don't need a camera. Don't need a feedback hub. Don't need to get Office. Uninstall. Don't need OneDrive. Don't need the Microsoft Solitaire collection. Don't need OneNote. Don't need paid Wi-Fi and mobile. Don't need paid 3D. Won't allow me to clear out people. Won't allow me. Don't need the print 3D application. Don't need Skype. Don't need tips. Okay. Defaults fine. Offline maps. Automatically, no. Don't update any maps. I'm not using any maps. So app with websites, no. Video playback, fine. Accounts. This is fine. Leave it on. This is where we're gonna use to connect to a domain. But we haven't set up one yet, so I'll come back to this later. Done with that. I'm in language. Set time automatically. Yes. Yes. Regional language. Australia. Australia. Yep. Each. Fine. Game bar. No game bar here. Disable everything here. Is good. Ease of access. Okay. Editor is fine. Close captions. Mouse. Other options. It's fine. Cortana. I'm gonna switch off Cortana. It's locked. No. Don't use Cortana at all. Permissions and history. Off. Device history. Off. Notifications. Off. More details. Okay. Privacy. No. Let no one access my stuff. Camera. Don't let anyone use my camera because there's no camera on here. Don't let any app use my microphone because there's no microphone attached. Notifications on my apps. Nope. Account info. Let no one access my account info. Contacts. Let no apps access my contacts. Neither my calendar. All history. I said email. No. Don't contact anything. Task off. Messaging off. Radios off. Other devices off. Feedback and diagnostics. Leave it default. And I don't want to run anything in my background. No apps in my background. Turn them all off. Let apps access my diagnostic information. No. Turn it off. Everything is off. Now, updated security. Before we do that, let's just check the advanced options. Give me updates for other Microsoft products when I update Windows. Yes. Semi-annual channel targeted. Okay. Okay. Fine. Is different. That's fine. Backup. Nothing's configured for the backup. Recovery. Nothing's activation. Windows is activated. Find my device. For developers. Windows Insider program. And everything's been configured. Let me just do one thing here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the Cortana uh, icon and unpin the store icon from the taskbar. And what else? Before I do the updates, I'm going to install Google Chrome browser. Before that, do that, unpin the mail icon. And to do that, I have to use Microsoft Edge Explorer. This is probably the only reason I use Microsoft Edge Explorer. It is to install Google Chrome browser. Type in Google Chrome. Type this in. Click on that. Google Chrome. Take me to the Google Chrome website. Download Chrome. I help us. No, I don't want to send you any stats, crash reports, except in install. And click on run. And run. Yes. Settings. What was it? Sign in? No, thank you. Show home button. Yes. Show bookmarks bar. Yes. No, don't run any background apps. Hardware acceleration when available. Yes. Yeah, that's cool. Go to the apps, web store, and type in AdBlock plus. I want to install ad blocker. On Google Chrome. This is the one that I want. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Been installed. Fresh. Done. Okay, Google Chrome is installed. Just before I do that, I'm gonna make this a default web browser for my machine. I'm gonna go and click on settings. Click on apps, default apps. Okay, here it is. Change the web browser to Google Chrome. Once I do that, Microsoft still gives me an option. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes, I am sure. So switch it anyway. I don't want to use your Microsoft Edge browser. Anyway, that's done. This is now the default browser. Here's the icon on the desktop. And what I'm going to do is I am going to sort by item type. There you go. PC, network, recycle bin, control panel. One more thing I need to do about the control panel is view by small icons and make a network sharing shortcut on the desktop. And I think that's about it. Rename the shortcut, delete the shortcut part. Now we're going to unpin from the from the taskbar, Microsoft Edge, and now we're going to update the machine. Check for updates and wait. Okay, the updates are installed, so we need to do a restart for this. A restart. Okay, the machine's been restarted. Log in and see if everything's in order. Wait for it to load the Defender, Windows Defender. Click the Task Manager. For details, performance. Okay. Memory is good. CPU is good. And disk. Hard disk is good. And IP addresses have been assigned. And I'll just disable the IPv6. This. Open up network sharing on Ethernet, properties, and IPv6 disable. Close. As you can see, the speed for this Ethernet adapter is 10 gigabits because we're using the paravirtualized network adapter. Close. Yep, here you go, Red Hat Word IO Ethernet adapter. Let me just check the properties. And work group. Computer name is 110. Okay, good. Because we changed it. In order for us to install the remote system administration tools, I have to go and download them from the Microsoft's website. It's not available as a features uh, on the Windows uh, packages. Log in. Open up Google Chrome browser. Type in RSAT, which is Remote Administration Tools. Let's go for Windows 10. There you go. Click on this one. And we're gonna download the ones. It's English. On download. And we're gonna download the 64-bit for the RSAT Windows 1709. Because that's the one we've installed. That is our build 1709 version. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna click on this. Click on next. Okay, that's downloaded. So we're gonna run it to install. Open. Close the browser window. Yep, update. Yes. Accept. Okay, the remote administration tools has been installed, and now all we have to do is turn them on. So let's just make sure that they have been installed. So go to start over here and Windows Systems. Run in here. Should be Active Directory. Administrator Center. There you go. Active Directory users. Since we haven't joined any domain yet for this client machine, so we won't be able to connect to any Active Directory server. For example, like Samba. So next thing would be to do, well, the last thing to do is just shut down. Go to the Oracle VirtualBox Manager, select Win10, and take a snapshot. Call this fresh install and updated install updates applied. It's applied in rsat install. Okay, and we've created a snapshot for our Windows client. Okay, and that's the end of the video. As always, if you like this video, click on like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, remarks, or comments, just leave them below the video.